Instagram, Facebook, a few more months before I have to go to my dentist. Have you gone to the dentist lately? Let me show you what products you should be using to keep your teeth clean until you get the confidence to go to the dentist or your next appointment comes up. Remember, for me, I didn't go to the dentist until I was a sophomore in college. And Miss Mills saw my teeth were crooked and stuff, recommended I go. Luckily, I did, because if I hadn't, I would have lost like a majority of my teeth due to a rare gum disease. Since then, I've been an advocate. Go at least once. If you haven't gone in a while, go again, because it saves you thousands of dollars, like $2,500, $600 for different procedures. So I thought I'm using right now. Always carry the Proxy brush for you. Use it before. You always use it after, just to get rid of the plaque. I do recommend essential water, good for the digestive system. I use this one. You could use this one, also the yellow one. If you want the feeling that it's actually working, go on and use the original. And this one's this is like the gold, man. I've used several. I used the Target ones. I've used a cheaper brand. I've used the floss threaders. I use the half-price brand. It's great because, like, if you have a crown or braces and you can't put the you can't pull it through the other way, you have to use the dental floss to get it in there to clean up, to clean between like the gums and the bridge or something you come in, because it doesn't go all the way through, so you have to go another way. So you have to kind of thread it under, technically. There's a space in you can clean, so I recommend those. And then I recommend also the Waterpik, and I have the Rotodent. I'll show you those later. Still using the same one, Proxy brush. I recommend use the tight ones, because you get in there deeper to get a deeper clean. I like the Listerine, but you can use the Arella brand, and I recommend the Pro Health. And then in my next newsletter, I'll talk to you about some more consider, but make sure you take care of your teeth, especially during this recession stuff. Who are they going to give the job to first? Person with the good teeth.